Have you ever wondered what it's like to literally look through something? This is a raindrop hanging on a blackberry thorn. And if I change my focus, it literally disappears. And you can look through all those layers. Here's a grass blade. There's another tip, very fine tip of a grass blade. This is using a 600mm lens, and I'm just adjusting the focus now. So you can see water droplets on the branches behind, on the grass blades. Then we can start zooming back in. And go through all the same stuff. Or guys come out of all the same stuff, and you can see the color clears up as we're no longer looking through things. There's our water droplets starting to form. There's the branch. Now we'll bring that back into focus.